You bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that eats your pain. I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Why did I say that slow? I have no idea. Let me go ahead and try to say that with my, with my chest out. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, for my returning kin folks, what's up? If this isn't your very first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl, okay? Now let's go ahead and get into it. Now listen, you guys, we're gonna go pretty quick. We're going pretty quick, okay, because we got about 3 minutes until Pilates starts. So we are getting ready to run in here and do our Pilates class, and I will give you guys the details and all of that after. Today has been, like a good day, productive day, but it has moved very quickly. So let me stop yapping. Let me go ahead and get in here so that we're not late and looking crazy for our session, because I want to bring you guys, but I don't want it to be awkward. So let's go ahead and get in here so that we can have time to ask the instructor if it's okay to film and all that good stuff. So yeah, let me stop yapping and let's go. I should roll my windows up. Right? All right, let's go.
When I'm talking to you, I don't know what to say, but I can call up a stranger and talk my whole life away.
Ooh. Hey y'all. Oop. Y'all in my closet. I never bring y'all in my closet. The closet's dirty. Oh, it's like no matter which way I turn, okay, it's just not up to par. Let me come out. You know what? Forget it. Okay, y'all. Welcome to another day in the vlog, you guys. I'm currently in my closet. I am looking for some shoes so that we can go outside and mow this lawn. Okay, I am not interested in getting out there in this heat and mowing this lawn, but it is what it is, y'all. So the thing about yesterday, I wanted to take y'all with me into Pilates. I started to take y'all with me to Pilates, okay? Y'all saw that. But then she said there was no filming unless it was a private session. But it was only 3 of us. Me, her, and somebody else. So I'm like, girl, it feels private. It feels very private. It feels private enough, so can we film? And she was like, nah, not having it. But the session was very intense, so I wasn't really upset about it, because sometimes it's good to just put y'all down too, because I do take y'all everywhere with me, okay? I do. But anyways, we are, like I said, in the closet getting ready to find some tennis shoes so that we can go outside and mow this lawn. It's supposed to rain tomorrow and the rest of the week, and my lawn is actually the only lawn on the block that looks freaking crazy. So we need to go and handle that. Again, I don't have a lawnmower of my own. Probably need to invest in one. So my neighbor's gonna let me use their lawnmower. It's electric, so thank God we ain't gotta do all the whole gas thing, God is good. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and mow the lawn while it's not too hot outside. It's about 1:30, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead, take care of that, and then we're gonna come in the house, and we got some things to do inside of the house. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I swear, the way that I'm out of breath, you would have thought that we are not working out 3 times a week, but we are. But yeah, bro, let's go ahead and get started so that we can finish. So we gotta hurry up and finish. Oh God.
To know this is how it's gonna go. Thought that if I put you first, I know we gon' last for sure. That's for sure. Remember our first kiss was in a rental car. Now I kinda wish it was a hit and run. Crazy, I bet it get this far. Just strong and dumb. 6 years gone down the drain. I guess I'm out to blame. I didn't know I'd be wasting my time, spending my 20s on you. gorgeous girl, but you ain't happy. Channel all them words of affirmation and someone somewhere's hoping you ain't happy. And that's me. 'Cause girl, you make me happier. Not only did you go, but you left me with no purpose. And they told me not to waste my time. I was certain you were worth the try. You to get the best and worst part of my life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If I don't blame it on you tonight, I will down the road somehow. Blame it for leaving me the only road to nowhere. Blame it on you tonight, I will down the road somehow. Blame it for leaving me the only road to nowhere. No way back. You was an option, never crossed my mind. When I had a talk.
Good morning, y'all. We are headed to the gym this morning. Okay, hold on. Let me turn this radio down. Yeah, I'll be in the car listening to the stereo. Okay, I'll be in the car listening to the stereo. But anyways, we are on our way to the gym. It is currently, what time is it? 6:55, y'all. I've been up since 5 o'clock or like 5:30. I really should have already been at the gym by now, but my timing, we gotta work on my timing. I'm never on time. I gotta change that. You know, so that's gonna be the next thing on my list. You know, we building the consistency of going to the gym, because like at this point I'm like, as long as I make it, okay, as long as I make it today, I'm in good hands, right? I'm good. The goal is met, and now I need to take that up a notch. Like, as long as I make it on time, or on time, or at least set a time, you know. The only thing that I'm really open to taking on the fly is Pilates, and that's because you gotta book a class and all of that, and sometimes I like to do my Pilates in the evening. Like, you know, I don't know, to me that's not really a workout. I'm relaxing and stretching and sweating. But anyways, that's beside the point. Y'all, we are headed to the gym. Okay, can't believe it. We've got our creatine right here and our water, and we're gonna go ahead and drink that. And then I got my water, because this is, they be like, oh, it's tasteless, but it don't be tasteless. It still be tasting like something. So yeah, we gonna go ahead and get this together. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this, and then we should be pulling up to the gym shortly. Ooh, man, got creatine in my thick thighs, and I don't know, that's all just came to mind. But anyways, we need to save all the juice that we got in this battery and all the memory that we have on this card, so that we ain't got no problems at the gym working out. See y'all in a minute.
You ain't gotta work. He was the winner, girl, you wouldn't have to worry about a thing. If I was up in it, I bet a pound that I put it down. Make you forget that you was ever with him. And I hate talking about my stroke pain, but girl, I'm giving you the whole thing. I could put like 25 on your finger, 5 for your shade, so you can't see these other niggas. They won't call you again, that's enough. I could see you wasting time.